How amazing was that?
What's
I've heard reports of them being down here before. I've never actually seen one. Wow.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm dumbstruck.
Hi everyone, we're back at the railway line and it's only gone and snowed.
Yeah. It's everywhere.
Here in Scotland we've actually had a couple of days of weather warnings, hence why we've got a lot of snow at the moment.
And ice.
And ice. So we've been very, very careful. Emily's actually already been down here once this week. She's been on half term. So Daddy has got a day off and he's come down here exploring with Emily.
Hopefully the water's not frozen. Oh, we allowed cars to come down here.
I'm on the lookout for squirrels because we normally see them down here. And if there is signs that they've been here recently, I might set up my nature camera. I think the squirrels are going to beat us today because the ground's too cold, but we'll keep an eye out. No signs of squirrels, but to be honest, didn't expect to see any in the winter here. We did see a couple of ducks, which we hopefully have got on the Nature Watch camera because we set it up down by the river. And when we get home, we'll see what else we might have as well. Check out this den that we've just discovered. Hey, that's a 4 out of 5 star on Airbnb, isn't it, Emily?
Yeah.
Should we sing our song?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun.
We just found a deer.
How amazing was that?
Oh my goodness. I'm dumbstruck.
They're sitting down for it. Well, that's an amazing way to wrap up our vlog from down here in the snowy woodlands. Oh,
We found a deer.
I'm about to say that's quite an afternoon. So hope you enjoyed it.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.
And subscribe for more.